All right, everybody, you're here. I'm here. And if you're here, you know that means I finished more model cars. And if I finish more model cars, that means I have a video to give to you about that model car that I built, of course. Not saying I built a model car and I have some random video to show you. No, I have a video to show you of the model car that I built. I hope you follow along. So today I have a special one. I have a combo today. I have two cars for you. I have a very special one. It's the Monogram kit of the Dale Earnhardt and Jeff Gordon Brickyard 400 winners. If you know anything about me and my videos, you know that I am one, like model cars, two, huge NASCAR fan, and I love these old Monogram NASCARs, and I think they're the best. I don't know. I really love these cars. They go together great. They look great. Yeah. So this particular box here, this is a 1996 release. For those of us who know, Jeff Gordon was the inaugural winner of the Brickyard 400 back in 1994. Dale Earnhardt did it in 95. It's kind of cool because it has the Lumina and then the Monte Carlo, so it gives you both cars. I just think it's kind of cool that they give you two different cars instead of giving you, say, hey, here's two Monte Carlos, here's two. You know, it's cool that it happened with two. Both wins, I should say, happened with two different makes. So that's pretty cool. I built some Luminas before. I built some Monte Carlos before. Like I said, I love these cars. I can't say enough about that. So like I said, this is the 1996 release. This is very cool. I found this kit, set, whatever, at a garage sale a couple years ago for 10 bucks. So for 10 bucks, I got two cars. Very cool. So the box itself, my box here is a little beat up. It has the sink in there. It has a very nice, or I should say, sunken top. Has pictures of the cars, the roll cages, the cars. Little thing on Jeff Gordon, little thing on Dale Earnhardt. Again, 1996. I don't know if I can get the box to spin around here. Again, pictures of the cars. A little more pictures of the cars. So, these model kits, the bodies, once you get the body on them, they do not come off the chassis. So, either you display it like this, or you display it like that. The Monte Carlo, after this Monte Carlo, the body does lift off the chassis with ease. So, it gives you an opportunity to kind of detail the chassis a little bit better. I did a video of the 1998 Dale Earnhardt Daytona 500 car. I will have a link down below to that. That one is the different Monte Carlo body, or should say the Monte Carlo body style after this one, if I could say that without stumbling over my words. So these, once you get the body on, they kind of stay on. So this being older models, the decals themselves were a little yellow, little hard to work with. The cars themselves went together great. So we're 3.5 minutes into this video, so why don't we take a look at the ones I built? If I'm not mistaken, behind this box will be the Dale Earnhardt car and the Jeff Gordon car. Let's see. In 3, 2, 1. Wah, wah, wah. What did I tell you? They were right behind them. So, the 1994 Lumina DuPont Jeff Gordon. How about that? Huh? That looks pretty cool. And then the 1995 Monte Carlo Dale Earnhardt. All right, so let's take a look at the first one first. We're gonna go with the Dale Earnhardt. Go with the Jeff Gordon. Classic rainbow paint scheme. How do you not love that? That is just classic, right? If you're into NASCAR in the 90s, you know that this scheme was like, you know, iconic. Still is iconic. So, I painted it Tamiya colors. The blue, I used, there you go, TS19 metallic. I really think I should have used a lighter undercoat on it to kind of be a little lighter blue, but I think it came out okay. The red, now I know on the later edition Monte Carlo Jeff Gordon rainbow schemes, the the red was red, and it sounds stupid me saying that, but the Lumina was actually kind of more of a Dayglow kind of neon orange. I could not find a color to match that. I read that there is a Model Master color that matches that. I think it was Racing Red. Model Master has kind of gone the way of dinosaur there, so most of their stuff is extinct. I was unable to find it to try it, so I just used Tamiya 49 Bright Red. Not accurate, but I think it looks pretty good this way. So, went together real nice. Front end. The Lumina kits are always very nice. Snickers. The inside, I did the roll cage. It's actually a Rust-Oleum gray, but it kind of looks like roll cage gray. I did the air hoses red just to kind of give it a little show. You know what I mean? So you can see it. You know my words in my previous videos. Visually appealing. Interior has the black black dashboard, silver gauges, steering wheel black and silver. Kind of hard to see in there. The seat is black with a gray gray seat on it with the, oh no, that one's red. I did it black and then I painted the inside red where you sit there, and then it's got the decal for the seat belts. Very cool. The decals themselves, like I said, well, masking the paint's kind of fairly easy. You just kind of went straight down the line on the window here and then kind of straight across here. And then the front here, it's just straight across. In fact, you can see the line that I actually did there. Not perfect. But it looks okay. The decals, like I said, a little older. Both these cars, this one and the Earnhardt one, with the decals, they were kind of yellowed. So when they were in the water and they came off the paper backing, the trick is you flip the decal over and then you take your paintbrush, the one I use specifically for the decals, because I use this with the microsol and the microset. You just take the decal and you just rub the back of it, and kind of rubs the lightly rub it so you don't rip the decal, but it takes the yellowing off. You just kind of rub it down, and then I use microset on the back of it when I'm done, and then the microset on the car, and then put the decal on the car, and then the microsol. Am I saying that right? The microsol, microset. It's the blue one first. There you are. Okay, it's the microset I use first, and then the microsol. I seem to notice that it kind of softens the decal up and makes the decal kind of shrink to the car. It's kind of cool. I don't know how it does it, but it does. That's the way I use it. You guys could make fun of me if I'm doing it wrong. I allow you to. You're watching my video. Please comment. Problems I had with it was the rainbow right along here kind of crinkled along the way around the fender. It did it on both sides. If it focuses. The DuPont on the hood kind of crinkled a little bit on the bottom here. I think the decal was too big. To be honest, it's just kind of too big to work with, and then with the creases in the hood, it made it a little difficult to work with. The front end, ooh, my finger's in the way. Where's my pointer? Here we go. I would have put these the grill tape decals on before you put the grill in the car, because I put the grill that comes in behind the car, and then when you put the decal on, it kind of doesn't sit in there right. So I would have, if I were to redo that, I would put it on the grill before I put the grill onto the body. Just saying. Little tip, little trick. Open up the hood. Again, roll cage, engine. It's all good. Silvers, aluminums, the blue for the wires, flat black for the hose, silver, yellow for the shocks, yellow for the fan, because for some reason I always paint my fans yellow. You'll see that in numerous of my videos. Do a little black and a little silver on the suspension there. All my kits are box stock, so all you see is everything in the box. I painted a bunch of different colors and it looks good. Alright, this is Jeff Gordon, 94 Lumina. Let's go to the 95 Dale Earnhardt Monte Carlo. Alright, so that's just typical Rust-Oleum black. The decals again, same thing. They were a little yellowed. Flipped them over when they came off the paper backing, you know, and then did the decal thing where wipe off the yellow. The roof number here kind of has a little bit, some markings there you can see in the tape there, but it is what it is. The decals on the wheels, very nice. I use, what is it? The Tester's dull coat top coat over the tires. There it is. After the decals have dried, that kind of protects the decals and makes the tires look not as shiny. Make them look good. Interior is a Rust-Oleum red. The back window ledge there fell out, but it is what it is. It kind of got in there. Again, interior Rust-Oleum red with the silvers, the blacks. Steering wheel black with the silver bars there. Interior, it's got the black dashboard, silver gauges, white on the gauges. This is the seat that I did black with the gray seat on it. The chair is black, the seat is gray. And then it's got the decal for the, what you call it? Seat belts. You know, you do a lot of work on the inside of these things, and then they're hard to see. That's why I kind of like the Monte Carlos where the bodies come off there. Floor pan over there underneath the car, or underneath the dashboard, I should say. Did it silver. Just kind of break up some colors a little bit. Looks cool. That wheel there, I lost the decal for, so that's why that one has no lettering. It is what it is. So, looks good, huh? I think I showed you the back already. It's supposed to replicate the Brickyard win. Very cool. Oh, the on this particular Monte Carlo, the front bumper on the car is two separate pieces. And when you look at pictures of the car, there is no seam there. So what I did was you glue it in and then you putty it. I used the Tamiya putty. As you can see on the top, it didn't come out quite clean, but it's okay. If you look closely at it, you can still kind of see the line, but I think I did a pretty damn good job. Being two separate pieces there, huh? Looks pretty good. Alright. Engine time. If I can get it off. There we go. Alright. Again, silvers, aluminums, blues. Again, all box stock. All this is just painted different colors. Paint it different colors and make it look nice. That's all I do. Everything you see from each of these kits is straight off the box. This is all the parts they give you for each kit. Again, underneath here, just silvers, blacks, just a little gold, yellow for the shocks. What's not to love? Put a little time into it and make it look nice. So, boom. There we go. A little Dale Earnhardt, a little Jeff Gordon action for you. Again, this is the old Monogram kits. Let me get this hood back on here for you. There we go. This is the Monogram Brickyard 400 winter set. Very cool set of cars. Two classic iconic cars to have in your collection. Two classic iconic cars to begin with. And Monogram for, you know, making such great cars. So, that's my review today. It's a little longer, but you got two cars out of it today. So, again, the Brickyard 400 winter set. And there's the cars. Everybody, I thank you for watching. Please comment, please like, please subscribe if you're not subscribed. I appreciate everybody watching. I appreciate everybody liking. I appreciate everybody comments. I just appreciate everybody. I appreciate your time. I appreciate you watching. So, when I have a model car, I review it for you. And these are my new model cars. Stay tuned. I always got more stuff I'm working on. And I'll catch you guys some other time on some other video.